Yeah, hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make a standard using a bottle, the one you saw in a thumbnail. So let's jump right in. We're going to teach you how to make a standard gimbal for home use. Just you're going to look for a bottle, and then you're going to look for a knife, and then yes, it. Are you seeing? Now we're going to test it and then have this all inside. I think you can see it. And then try to cut it very well, but measuring the length of your phone. As you can see, I'm trying to cut it. Yeah, you see? Then and then come and cut this side. You see, you have cut this side. This side you have cut. Then you can come and cut here again. Very good. Now the length of my phone is this one. So I have cut now this side. So then the only thing you're going to do here, you're going to look for phone. I assume this is now the bottle, and then you're going to look for a phone and the cam and put it here. And then when you put the phone, you can take this bottle. When the phone is inside, just the phone that I'm using, that I wanted to show you using, is the one that is capturing the video. But let's assume this is the phone now. So you have to bring the phone and put it inside here like this. This means you can move without shakes. If you want to capture like a cinematic, or you want to capture like a standard video, you can. That's the button like this, the one the phone is inside, and then capture a nice video on the good footage. So guys, hope you enjoy this video and you're going to try it and let's see. And if you find it is good, come and comment on this in the section and tell me what you want me to do next. Just guys, you're gonna try it. It's the one that I'm using. Let me check the phone or the camera and see. The one that I'm using. Yeah. So the only thing that's you're going to look for a bottle and do this. Don't buy a stand, because if you don't have money, you can be creative, guys. So that's the only thing. Use a bottle to capture videos like this. Just guys, subscribe, then we shall meet in the next video. You have seen now how to make a good standard for your video. So just if you want more videos, just subscribe to this channel, and again you like, comment if you have seen this video interesting. So that is bye bye.